Yeah. You alright?
I probably deserve that. No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous though. You know, I never really skied before, so I'm afraid I might poop my pants out. I'm more nervous for Phil though, because you know, like he's never gone before, so I'm afraid something might, you know, bad might happen to him, because who knows. Really document this. So we're out here, Park City, first day of the year. There's probably about no inches of snow. It's all artificial, but we'll see how it is. Phil's first time out. He's snowboarding. We're skiing. Guys give you snow reports on how the turns are and the quality of the artificially made snow. Yeah, give me like 3 weeks and then I'll be able to talk about stuff. Yeah, we watched a video of a guy who skied right like a few days ago and said it was pretty crusty.
Go swimming. Pool's warm.
That's like morning.
Yeah, they gave us free cider and chocolate chip cookies.
I think I got oatmeal raisin.
Still got oatmeal raisin. Dang.
It's definitely an oatmeal raisin kind of day.
This is why you come, baby. Let's go.
That's good. Those would be cool shots.
I know, shreddy now.
You all right?
I probably deserve that. No, I'm okay. Thank you. I'm going in front of you. get him. Oh, it's good. I'm impressed. I'll say Park City's done a good job. Pretty fun run.
See if we can get Phil coming in here. This is Phil's first run on the new board. Brand new.
Yeah, bro!
Dang.
Hey, slow down. Family zone.
Idiot skier cut me off and I went flying.
Actually,
Yep. So far I'm 0 for 1 with skiers.
yeah, different lines.
We should probably make snowboard only trails. Not
You gotta cut that out. We're gonna cut that part out. Sorry.
See that? There's like a big patch missing.
This is like the last time I skied something